Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to personalize your Canva profile. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing is check right here from this homepage and head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're gonna find the profile icon. Right here, I just have the initial of my name. If you have your profile photo, then that's what you're gonna see right here. But you just click on that, and once you click on that, it's gonna show you an extended menu. Here you have settings, get help, suggest improvements, and just a lot more. Go ahead and click on settings so it can take you to your profile or your account settings. Click on that. Ta-da! So here is where you can personalize your Canva profile. So this is your profile, of course. So personalizing it starts with uploading a profile photo of yours. So you can head over to upload photo right here, and it's going to take you to your system folder. This is a systems folder, and let's say if I have a picture or downloads, I just have one. So if you just have a picture, this picture is definitely going to be recognized because it's way over 2 MB. So you have to ensure that the picture that you're putting up is okay. So your profile image must be under, it has to be under 2 MB. All right, it doesn't have to be way above it. So once you select anyone that suits that, you'll see that this is definitely going to be changed to the picture that you selected. And then the next way is to, of course, the next step is to change your name. So click on this edit option and you'll be able to change your name, and you can do that the same for email address and change your email address. Next step is what will you be using Canva for? Go ahead and click on this to select what you want to use Canva for. It's going to help them suggest better designs for you and improve your workflow. Here you have language. You can definitely change your language right here. Select the one that you want and ensure that it suits you exactly. So here you have a theme. You can also change it from light, from light to dark. It's currently in light. You can change from light to dark, or you can just sync with system, whatever one you choose. And here you have this next accessibility. So shortcuts require modifier. So if you want to use single key shortcuts, the single key shortcuts rather require the use of ALT modifier key. If you want to enable that, so put that on. If you want to use shortcuts, here you have high color contrast. The gradients will no longer be used as backgrounds, such as in the editor header. All right, so do you want to do that? You can toggle this on or leave it there. And then these are captions, auto-generated captions for videos. If you want to create videos and you want to add captions, you can use auto-generated captions by toggling this on. And then autoplay videos. Do you want to autoplay videos? Do you want to autoplay videos? You can put that on, or you can put it off, or you can just use my system preferences. And then you have increase on-screen message display time. So on-screen messages will stay longer before dismissing. Would you like to do that, or would you just like to leave it the way it is? Totally on. If you want that, leave it the way it is. And now it says open links in desktop app. All right, so Canva links are open in the desktop app instead of the web browser. Would you like this to be done? Just toggle this on. So this is pretty much how you can personalize your profile on Canva. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.